Okay then guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. As you can see right now we have the iPhone, and the topic for today is how can you go ahead and find more of the add yours stickers on Instagram. Because you can of course follow through if you can see someone that they have it on their story, but how can you find more of them? People just think that you are supposed to just randomly bump into them, but it's not really the case. What you have to do is to open up the Instagram like this and just click on the search bar and make sure to find the account, which is basically called Add Yours Stickers. I mean, there are actually more of them, but the first one is the one which I have some experience with. So go ahead and click on that. It has like 200,000 followers. And if you go through their stories right here, you can see there are so many different things which you can add yours to. So for example, full name on Google and screenshot or what comes out, use 6 times, and many different things, you know, like social media profiles. You can skip through all of the stuff. What's your birth date and add yours. And you can see there are actually 10,000 people using it. And this entire Instagram page is dedicated to just this, the style of, I don't know, expressing yourself or whatever you want to call it. And you can also not only go through the active stories, but also go through the highlights, as this is also the very important part. Because you can of course just look it up, add yours, and these are like even in the different languages and whatnot. Yeah, many different things, and it of course works. So yeah, you can go ahead and, I don't even know, like ping dump. Okay, click on add yours, and now you can go ahead and start adding this to your story. You can click and do whatever you want, so it's really up to you to decide. You can move it around and stuff like this. So yeah, as you can see the background of my studio, yeah, so this is how you can go ahead and find some new add yours. But you can also just create some new ones by yourself if you really wanted to. You can also do it very easily. You just go to the stories section and you just, I don't know, just snap a picture and just add many different things which are available in here. So I don't even know like what is available by the clickers. You can of course go click on add yours templates. So yeah, you can create a brand new one if you really wanted to on your own, but in case you want to join some existing ones, you have to find them, and using and searching for some kind of accounts which are specified in this is, in my opinion, the best way to go about it. So this is what I would recommend you to do. If you found this video useful, make sure, of course, to check out the Foxtecc Instagram as well, as we are already here and talking about it. So go ahead and check it out if you want. It's going to be linked down below in the description. And you can also find there the link to the school educational platform, which I created for you to join for free. So go ahead and do that right now, and I'll wait for you inside. Thanks all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out until then.